In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Cloudflare Warp is a free, privacy-focused app that routes your connection through Cloudflare's network to add security and sometimes boost performance. We'll keep things simple and make sure you grab the official Windows download. First, open Google in your browser and search for Cloudflare Warp. This is the quickest way to reach Cloudflare's current download area and avoid outdated mirrors. As you review the results, pick one that clearly comes from an official Cloudflare domain and skip third-party download sites. Click the result that leads to the Cloudflare Warp page. You should land on Cloudflare's product or documentation section for the Warp client. The layout may change from time to time, but as long as you're on an official Cloudflare page, you're in the right place to find the download. On that page, look for and click the link labeled Download Warp Stable Releases for Cloudflare 1. The stable channel is the version Cloudflare tests for everyday reliability, which is what most Windows users want. If you notice other channels like Beta or Canary, ignore them unless you specifically need pre-release features. Next, on the download page, click Download Latest Stable Release. That action starts the download of the current Windows installer. If you see multiple files, select the one that indicates Windows and the stable channel so you get the correct build. Your browser should begin downloading immediately, and you'll see the file appear in your Downloads bar or in your designated Downloads folder. If security software flags the file, double-check that the page and download link are from an official Cloudflare domain and validate the digital signature before proceeding, or follow your organization's IT policy. And that's all you need to do to start the download for Cloudflare Warp on Windows. By following this exact path, searching for Cloudflare Warp, opening the official result, choosing the Stable Releases page, and clicking the latest stable download, you've ensured you're getting the correct, trusted installer. Once the download completes, you're ready to move on to setup on your Windows machine. Thanks for watching, and feel free to rewind to any point if you want to confirm the click path.